Greetings everyone, welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. In this video I'm going to make one of my simpler soaps. It is a gentle facial soap. Let's get into what you came here for. Prior to becoming a soap maker, I worked in the skincare and beauty industry as a makeup artist and esthetician. So as a result, I do create some of my soaps to be skin type specific. And because this is a gentle soap, it is ideal for a variety of skin types. Once I've gotten my batter to a light to medium trace, I separate it into three parts. The base of the soap will remain just the plain soap color with no addition of any color or fragrance. And then there will be one that's part mineral clays and then one that will have some beetroot powder in it. Before mixing in the dry additives, I add some organic argan oil to each portion of the soap batter. This soap is created in a 5-pound slab mold. And also just quickly, when you go to my website, it'll say that my soaps are sold out. However, if you see something that you're interested in purchasing, just shoot me a message and I'll let you know if it's in stock. For the look of this soap, I just started out by adding the base of the soap, followed by the portion of the soap that has the clays, and then the portion of the soap that has the beetroot powder. And these bars are smaller because they're intended for face care. So this is something that is meant to be left at your sink as part of your face care routine. Considering this is a soap for face care, I would like to pose a question. I want to know, if you know your skin type, what is it, and do you tend to purchase skin type appropriate skincare products? So let me know in the comments your skin type and yes or no to, do you purchase skin type appropriate products? To finish off the top of this soap, I did what I call my swirly twirly cues. It's basically what I do to the top of my soap when I kind of have like no design in mind. And so as always, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Welcome to all of the awesome new subscribers. Thank you to my existing subscribers. And of course, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Also, stay tuned for a final pick of this gentle facial soap. Have a great day, everyone. Also, happy fall. Fall's here. See you soon.